What
New house.
All right, we are walking in to our new house in El Paso, Texas.
El Paso, Texas.
Okay, let's check it out. All right, here's the living room. Front door, fireplace, dining. All right, here's the kitchen. Very nice. This will work perfectly. Let's see if I can find the garage. Laundry room. Perfect. All right. Huge garage. Okay, we're gonna continue the tour. So, this goes upstairs. We'll check that out in a second. All right, bedroom number 1. Very nice. Then there's a bathroom. Bedroom number 2. Closet. So it looks like all the bedrooms are on the main floor. And this would be the master. And the master bathroom. Very cute. Very nice. All right, let's go look upstairs. And in here, looks like just a giant playroom. Perfect. This will be good. So here's the view. So we're like in the suburbs of El Paso. Like there's the perimeter, and then we're just right outside the perimeter. My sister lives inside the perimeter, so it takes us about 20 minutes to get here from her house. So you can see it's mostly just neighborhoods. There's the view. All right, so this is gonna work out great. Love the house. This will be really good for the month. Hopefully Jill comes and visits and plays, and let's get all of the stuff out now. We gotta unpack the car and get everything in and kind of clean up the way we like it. And luckily the best thing about this house is there's not a lot of stuff. We don't like stuff. We always hide it in closets, so this is perfect. All right, we're gonna unpack. Let's go see the kids. Go see the new house? Let's go see it. Come on, come with me. Okay, maybe Daddy will get baby. Okay, let's go. I'll go show you it. Will you get baby? Do you like your new house? Do you like it? What do you think? Hi, baby! Do you like your new house? Where are you going? What are you doing? What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah.